welcome to another V's Cards video. My name is Veronika Cuic and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a 2-in-1 interactive toy, which also acts as a gift tag or a greeting card. With minimal product and steps, this easy and fun project is perfect to be mass-produced and or used as an activity to do with the kids. And guess what? I've invented a way to make it a gift card holder. That's right, not everyone loves or could tolerate chocolate during Easter, so why not send them or give to them a gift card holder with a really cute, fun toy, novelty card or gift tag to go with it. I can't wait to show you all the ideas I have today, and I hope you enjoy them. Let's go. Here's a brief look at some of the things we'll need, but I'll have a link in the description below for the full product list. Thanks so much for purchasing from V's Cards. Essentially, I'm making 3 different types of projects, but they're all very similar. We're going to start off with the chicken. I am measuring up the circle size and working out which sizes I will choose for the first project. Roughly drawing a line where I'm going to cut the A4 cardstock, which won't fit into the Stampin' Cut Boss machine. And I still have room with the excess card strip to create a wing as well. I do want to acknowledge that ABC Kids around 15 years ago did a project similar to this one, which I adapted and added all these variations. Essentially, they made a rocking toy, missing the feather and also the tag and card part of it, which I've created. Not to mention the gift card holder, which I invented. I'm pulling out my Stampin' Cut Boss machine. I'm going to pull out the base plate, which is 1, then plate 2 and 2 of the plate 3s, which are the clear plates, also known as the cutting plates. But I'm going to sandwich in between the 2 clear cutting plates the cardstock plus the die facing down, and then I'm going to give it a wind. Now this part is the wing, so it's obviously going to be a smaller circle. And we're going to cut that wing in half and only use 1/2 of that small circle. I will pull out my Stampin' trimmer and then I'm going to move away or slide away the cutting blade, the darker one, and leave the score blade remaining and roughly pinch 2 ends of the circle and score away. Use your bone folder to reinforce the score lines and then cut the wing in half or the circle in half to create the wing. With the bone folder, curl up the wing so it pops up a bit. Even though a hen normally has 2 eyes and 2 wings, we only need to do 1 wing and 1 eye for the card front. If you look around, most craft or discount shops will have feathers and Google eyes. We're almost up to the beak section. We need a long strip of orange cardstock. First we're going to score before we cut, and we're going to make sure that the measurement for the score line and the other half is exactly the same. We will fold the shape in half and then cut a triangle. And we're going to make the beak a little bit longer than normal because some of that beak needs to be hidden away as it's attached to the rest of the body. Essentially, we've made a wide triangle when it's opened up and looks like a more narrow triangle when it's closed. Okay, now we're up to the wattles and the comb. I did not know their names until I did this video. It's a great opportunity for me to learn. I'm using the Petal Park punch to create these 2 parts of the hen's head. I've made the larger flower the comb and the smaller flower the wattles. I encourage you to look outside the box of your punches to find what you can use to problem solve when you're crafting and building a character. So there you go, the hen fits nicely inside the envelope. You can tuck as many as you like inside that hen. You can add a few chicks if you like as well. And that way you have a few individual cards to give to one whole family perhaps. Here's another example of use for this larger hen. Pop it straight onto a chocolate box. Looks great, doesn't it? Just because of the matchy colours. Essentially, this next project is almost identical to the first one, except it's not a hen, so it's not going to have the comb or the wattles. It's a baby chick, so it's going to be smaller in size as well. I'm going to speed through this redundant process. We are past the halfway mark of this video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. You're still watching, so you must like it. Please take a moment to like the video, and I invite you to subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. Take a moment to comment in the comment section. I always love to hear how I've inspired you, or simply send me a shout out and tell me where you're from. Here's a quick tip on trying to find the centre of a small circle on your trimmer. I'm counting an even amount of spaces or marks on my trimmer to get the perfect centre there. And I know that every marking is 1/4 of an inch in width. I'm using this mini chick as a Chic Choc tag, my original idea. The way I'm going to do that is by poking a little hole at his poor rear end, and then I'm going to thread a twine through it and a bow around the neck of the gift. I'm using one of Stampin' Up's retired plastic bags and stacked up some chocolates there, and I'm just tying the Chic Choc to it. And I can write inside that tag to and from and Happy Easter. So now we've got the mother hen and the baby chick facing each other. What fun and games you can have playing with these Chic Choc cards and tags. Oh look, the hen's laid an egg. Okay, let's have a look to see how a gift card holder is made. I think it's important to have a circle that's just slightly wider than the actual gift card holder. To attach the chick to the gift card holder, simply use an orange coloured paper clip which would match the beak. 10 years ago I packaged a few Chic Choc tags as gift card holders and sold them at markets. I still do occasionally sell such products, including DIY packages with instructions. Approaching the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and happy crafting.